In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a folder from Google Drive. This process is straightforward and ensures you can access your important files offline. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Apps icon, which appears as a grid of small squares. This icon allows you to access all Google services quickly. Clicking on this icon is essential because it gives you a direct pathway to your Google Drive. You will notice a drop-down menu with various Google applications. Be sure to have your browser updated for the best experience. Now, click on the Drive option from the drop-down menu. This action takes you directly to Google Drive, where you can see all your stored files and folders. If you are already logged in, it will display your Drive's contents immediately. This step is important because it ensures that you are in the right place to locate your files. Once you are in Drive, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you find your folder more easily. Next, locate the folder you want to download. Take your time to scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you have many items. The folder should be clearly labeled, making it easier to identify. If you have organized your Drive well, this should be a quick process. Finding the correct folder is crucial, as downloading the wrong files can be time-consuming later on. Once you have found the folder, right-click on it. If you prefer using a mouse, you can also click the three vertical dots next to the folder name. This action opens a menu with various options related to that folder. Right-clicking is important because it brings up the exact actions you can perform on the selected folder. Make sure not to click on the folder itself, as that will open it instead of providing options. From the menu that appears, select the Download option. This action initiates the download process. You will see the text Download highlighted in the menu, indicating you are about to download the folder to your device. Selecting Download is significant as it begins the compression and transfer of your files directly to your computer. After selecting Download, a notification will appear in the bottom right corner of your screen saying, "Preparing download." This message indicates that Google is compressing the folder into a zip file. Compressed files are easier to download and manage, especially if the folder contains many files. You may notice this process takes a moment, depending on the size of the folder. It is perfectly normal for this step to take a little time, so just be patient. Once the preparation is complete, the file will automatically save to your computer's Downloads folder. You will not need to choose a location, as the system handles this for you. Knowing where your file goes is useful as it allows you to find it quickly later. If you have organized your Downloads folder, this will be easier. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded a folder from Google Drive. This simple process allows you to access your important files offline, adding flexibility to your work. Don't hesitate to repeat these steps whenever you need to download additional folders. Thank you for following along and happy downloading.